¿Qué onda, chavos? Vlog.
No.
Y el tacuache, ¿qué pedo?
Tacuacuacuache, tacuache, tacuacuacuache, tacuache.
Güey.
Take a mugshot.
Fool, aquí vamos a pop up the image como terminas el de la hora pico.
Not funny, fool. It's not funny, nigga.
Ahora te pico el culo.
No, ni verga. Ni verga, güey.
La hora pico, volteate, culo. Tweaking.
Quiere presumir, güey.
That nigga holding his he's holding his bumper with the string.
Hey, we're not sponsored by Snap-on.
No?
No.
Oh no, I don't know what to say to this.
Just new. What, bitch? What? Fuck.
Nigga, I'm trying to see.
Ahora cuñado.
Muévete.
Cuñado, ya, cuñado.
Que te muevas.
¿Qué te dije, cuñado? Ya.
No, frente a ti.
Cuñado.
Te va a dar como un bebé, güey.
Hey, Rigo, los twins, ready?
Look.
You just my straw. Hey, you're putting mocos on my camera. Hold up. That's some hoes.
What? That's a hoe. That's a hoe. What are we doing?
Nigga tweaking.
Look at this. Where's something about him?
Nah, bro, because ahorita prendí la cámara. And I see my nose and I see I got burgers.
What? Nigga, what? We didn't even see nothing.
Hey, wait, es que ya kept doing that shit right here. And then I turned on my camera. Y se miraba que tenía mocos. So I was like, yeah, this nigga's talking about me, fool. Yeah.
Nigga tweaking.
Who was saying that you were mad?
Look, I still got mocos. You can see them hoes.
Where?
Aquí, en mi nariz.
No shit, they gonna be there.
Aquí, güey, like right here. That's why I kept going like this.
También estás caja, güey, en un pendejo y la vuelta.
Neta, me lo juras.
You trying to be in the vlog? No?
Ain't gonna put a fuck.
We're having a Q&A, bro. First question.
Bro, you have to be alive, bro.
You have to put everybody, come on. Put it over there by the ketchup.
Aquí, bro.
No.
First question.
Put alive.
First question. Would you suck dick or let your mama die?
¿Te lo pico?
Answer my question.
Yeah, this nigga tweaking all for real.
That's what.
Like,
Next
y'all
question.
suck a dick.
Next question. No, I'm not.
¿Te lo pico? Sí.
No.
Well, pues ya.
No,
Next
okay.
question. That's
Next
cool.
question.
Ask him, a mí.
Why y'all laughing? Alright, next question. Bro, can y'all be serious, bro?
Ya, deja el pinche cámara.
De tu puta madre.
Yo,
Alright, fool. Alright, next question.
paga la
Why-
pinche cámara,
why-
llegando a la casa, le voy a meter un pinche vergazón a tu hermana.
Vete.
Ya.
Vete,
¿Qué te
güey.
dije? ¿Qué te dije? Le voy a meter, pero la mitad para atrás a tu hermana.
Why they call this restaurant In and Out?
Porque te la metes, te la saco, güey.
¿En serio?
Ya, cuñado, ya por eso.
Al cuñado.
Hola, güey.
Try to give him a piece of meat, so right?
No tienes hambre.
A piece of meat.
to make you eat.
No tienes hambre.
Eat this.
No tienes hambre. Mira este, güey. Bro, you trying to ignore the camera,
Look,
fool.
this you work. Here, bite that shit. He's like,
Sip a hole.
but watch it for wait.
Oh, I
Yo, what you sipping on? Ya no hay.
Some Seagrams.
So. Some what?
Seagrams.
Nah, bro.
But this nigga look like.
¿Cómo quién?
Como Rapico.
Por la pico de culo.
You know what I'm talking about, fool? They got a podcast intro.
no, bro.
Estaba en Univision, bro.
Ya, plácase, cuñado.
Every night.
Que vean esto, es que este es mi cuñado. Oh.
Hey, güey, ustedes dos se miran igual, güey.
Se lo enseñas a tu hermana.
Bro, y'all look alike.
He's my stepbrother, bro.
For real? Y'all step brothers? Wait, they look like it. Yeah, wait. Huh? For real? Ah, que no.
Oh, verga, pues.
Eso,
a la
ya,
verga.
tu hermana. Es chiquita. Shit. Yeah, you gonna put that in every video now. Damn, for yeah.
Hey, you're gonna scratch my camera. Watch out. ¿Tú qué, güey?
I let record you.
Hey, bitch.
Así andas, güey.
Get off my face. Espérate, güey.
Cuñado, déjate grabar.
Ya, no estoy grabando. Ya, volteala. We supposed to record. Ya, not me. Record that way.
Record a girl.
Bitch, I'm zooming in. Hold up. Que te esperes, güey. Oh, mira. ¿Dónde estás, güey? ¿Dónde estás, Woody? ¿Dónde estás, pinche Woody?
¿Vas? Mira, Woody, no te hagas pendejo, güey. Yo te di dinero para que compres perico, así que no me salgas con una mamada o te parto el hocico. ¡Vas! Te parto el hocico, Woody. Fierro. Arre, güey. O saca el perico, Woody. Saca el pinche perico, no te hagas pendejo, güey.
Yo soy de la gente nueva que camina por la vida. Soy del barrio de Morga.
Compa Rigo. Hurt. Hurt. Pon las músicas, güey. Hey.
Any words?
Any word?
Words.
Words. Any words you want to say?
Bitch saying shit.
Oh.
The next day.
¿Qué onda, chavos? Todavía estamos en vlog 22. Ahí para que lo chequen, le den like, subscribe, and all that. Pero ahorita voy a ir en camino a ver a mi novia. Es su cumpleaños, and I got a little surprise for her. I'm also gonna be pranking her también, so stay tuned. Whoa. What I have in mind is I'm gonna take my cameras. I don't know, I'll probably take both. I don't know, no sé todavía. But I'm gonna set up on my truck, and then I'm gonna like try to like go to the store or something, buy like a bra or un calzón or something, hide it in my truck. So when I get on the truck, I'm gonna be like, hey, I dropped my phone, can you pick it up for me? And then she's gonna see the bra, and of course we're gonna see her reaction. So let's see how it goes, bro. Hopefully everything comes out well. And yes, I do need a haircut, but I'm about to go to Mexico, so I might just wait till like the last day before I go to Mexico, so I'll go out iced out, you know what I'm saying. Pero aquí estamos, chavos. So luego voy a mirar la reacción de ella. Feliz, she don't get that mad. En caso, I'm just gonna be like, it's a prank. Le voy a enseñar la cámara and shit. Pero yeah, está, chavos. Ahorita los miro. I'm gonna get everything set up and let's get it.
Oh, are we recording?
Arriba las manos, venimos a saltar. Tú no, güey. ¿Listos? 1, 2, 3.
Aquí estamos, chavos, ya estamos listos. Aquí tengo la cámara. So I'm gonna set it up in the truck. Y ahorita miramos qué pedo. Ya keep on watching. And it's like I'm gonna poner aquí, or no sé si like hide it or some shit. Pero that's where I wanna put it. No sé todavía. Stay tuned, I'll see what's up. Let's get it. ¿Qué onda, chavos? Quick update. Ya tengo el bra. Aquí está. The bra. So I'm gonna try to hide it under the seat and then pretend like my phone fell. My camera's gonna be recording, so I'm gonna pretend like my phone fell. Y pues ahorita vamos a mirar qué pedo, chavos. A ver si dice algo, a ver qué. Vamos a ver. So, sigan viendo, chavos. Ojalá que no se van a poner así, like, porque cada vez que ando con ella y se enoja, siempre, most of the times, se quiere bajar de la troca, pero I don't know, we're gonna see how this goes, and vámonos. Chavos, I'm testing out the camera. No sé cómo se vaya a mirar. Era la cámara nueva, so ahorita esta la voy a prender. Ahorita cuando ya llegue, ya me bajarle poquito. Ahorita esta la voy a prender ya cuando vaya a ir llegando para recogerla para su escuela. Vamos a set it down. La voy a poner acá como por mi dashboard, some shit. Y nomás la voy a poner allí como. Y luego si me pregunta, ¿y la cámara por qué está allí? Le voy a decir, bueno, nomás la tengo allí porque estaba pensando en tomarle unas fotos a mi troca, algo así. Y ya luego ella va a decir, oh, pues está bien. Y luego le va a decir, pues, tiré mi teléfono, me lo puedes levantar. Y el Brasil va a estar allá, como pueden ver, está allá en el piso. Don't mind my dirty carpet, I still gotta vacuum it. Pero allá va a estar, chavos. Ya ahorita, cuando llegamos, voy a prender otra vez la cámara, pero ya eso es ya cuando ella está aquí. So, sigan viendo, chavos. Chavos, ya voy llegando. Voy a poner la cámara aquí en mi dashboard para que todo vaya accordingly. Hope I said that word right. No sé cómo se va a mirar aquí cuando lo ponga. This prank's gonna go good as fuck, hopefully. Déjame agarrar mi teléfono y lo voy a aventar allá para que luego me diga if she could pick it up for me. Chula. It's my baby's birthday. Por ese compa, ¿qué pedo? It's my baby's birthday. Give me a hug. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
Love you.
I love you too.
Baby, you cute. Oh.
Stop.
A ver.
I'm not even that old.
You're looking so sexy today. ¿Y eso? Who are you trying to impress at school?
Because it's my birthday.
Huh?
Because it's my birthday.
Who are you trying to impress at school?
No one.
How's your day?
Good. So far.
Good so far. You still keep pedo. Look, I have brought my camera porque quería tomar
Pictures.
yeah. Ahorita voy a tomar a picture of my truck. So that's how I brought it. Está mi teléfono. Hey, can you pick up my phone?
Oh shit, my bad. Who's that?
Huh?
Who's is that?
What?
This.
What? What is it? Guess? What?
Who is it?
What you mean, whose is it?
I'm asking whose is it?
I don't know. What's wrong?
Whose is it?
Who's what?
That.
What?
That.
What?
That.
Why?
Because I want to know.
This? The fuck?
It's not funny. I'm done with you.
Hey, baby, where you going?
No.
Espérate, hey, hold on. Cada vez que ando con ella y se enoja, siempre, most of the times, se quiere bajar de la troca, pero...
I'm done with you.
Hey, baby, where you going?
No.
I gotta tell you something. Ben,
No, tell me whose is
I gotta tell you something.
it. Tell me whose is it.
I gotta tell you something.
Tell me whose is it.
Babe, it's your birthday, you gonna chill.
don't care.
Mira, ven.
Tell me whose is it.
It's nobody's. Huh?
How is it nobody's?
No es de nadie, bro. I don't know why I got here. Yo le presté mi troca a mi homeboy. He probably did it. Baby. Babe. Babe. La madre que no contestas. Baby. Baby. Hey. Baby. Hey, man.
No.
It's a prank.
How is it a prank?
Look, I was recording the whole time. Ben.
Why are you recording?
Ben. I set this shit up. Ni sé de quién son estos pinches. I bought them all. Ben. Babe. Ben. Ben, babe. Come here. Are you gonna be like that? I'll start recording. Look.
Stop.
Sorry. Baby, chill.
Stop recording.
Es un pinche prank. Come here.
No, stop
I love you.
Stop.
You were mad or what? Yes, you was. Babe.
Stop recording.
No. Hey, damn, you scratched my lens. Damn, you gotta buy some new ones. Baby, chill. Dame un beso.
No.
Ah.
Stop recording.
No.
Okay, then no.
You want to see your reaction?
No.
Oh yeah, cuando I edit it.
You're not gonna post it.
Yes, I am. Ah! You for real, man? Why? Why are you mad?
Because.
Ya te ibas a caminar para tu escuela, güey.
Yes.
Why? Qué loca.
Why would I be stuck in here after what I just did?
But you for real gonna get off and go walk into your house?
west.
To your, I mean,
No,
to your
to
school.
My car, yeah.
Why?
What you mean, why?
You're not gonna let me take you over there?
No.
You were mad? It went out as I planned. ¿Qué ibas a hacer? Like, what were you trying to do? You were finna be done with me, right? Huh? For real? That bad?
Yeah. You know I don't play, right?
I don't play either. But that prank, it was just a prank.
Why?
Hmm?
Why?
Cause I wanted to do it. Fuck. How you so many in these iPhone shits?
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
Whoa. Funny joke.